So good morning, guys. So today we'll be studying about the Kamath Committee. So before discussing about the Kamath Committee, we should know about who is KV Kamath. KV Kamath is one of the most renowned personalities of India. Here, it is said that he helped the Axis Bank during the decision period, and he's a very renowned person. So according to the Kamath Committee, the Kamath Committee stated that there are 307 sectors which need focus due to the COVID COVID period has a severe effect impact on the revenue of these sectors. And out of 307, there are 26 sectors which really need support. So according to the committee, it is recommended that for all the loan, like for example, since we know that the government gave a moratorium of 6 months from roughly from April to ending starting of September, roughly 6 months. So it was said that all the loans which were performing, like for example, before 1 March 2021-20, the loans which were performing, we need to give urgent and utmost focus to those loans. And how will we? And it was said that we need to restructure the loan. Like for example, if a borrower is not able to pay the debt, a loan, and the interest on time, we should recast it. Like for example, we should restructure it for the next 2 years. And people say that why 2 years? Because 2 years is a very sufficient time that is needed in order to that is needed in order to fulfill the loan, or in order to pay the loan whole. So it was given that 2 year structuring. And also that people, and also there is one thing to note, that the government is not waiving the interest, because if the government waives the interest, it will have a serious impact on the health of the bank sector. Like having serious impact on the health of the bank sector will not be good. So it is said that there will be an interest on the interest, but due to restructuring, the lender, a borrower, might be able to pay it on time. It is said that roughly 50 lakh crore loan come under this. And due to the KV Kamath committee, it is said that it will hugely benefit the bank, as it will reduce the number of NPAs, and which is a very good part. And the other question is that in order to overcome this, like for example, loan problem at this moment, everyone needs to take the pain, be it the bank, be it the government, be it bank, government, and the borrower also. If all of these three work together, and even for example, everyone, then I think that it will be really beneficial for us. Thank you, guys.